Hi guys, this is Maddie with Brinkley RV, and here we are standing in our Model I 265 bedroom. Now first things first, let's talk about the ample amount of storage we got in this bad boy. For a trailer under 30 feet long total length, we've got an insane amount of storage. For starters, we've got two nightstands, one on each side. They open up to a nice deep compartment, perfect for folding clothes, books, CPAP machine, whatever your heart desires. We've also got overhead storage here. Each door is a soft closed door as well. All right guys, so now I want to show you my absolute favorite part of the bedroom storage in Model I. If you lift up the bed, you'll find our MaxSpace Split-Level Hanging Wardrobe. As you can see, we've got hanging storage here, but the really cool part is here at Brinkley, we camp too. So our designers did something really cool to utilize the drop frame chassis. If you look in here, you've got shelves off to the side, but you can also step in so you get extra depth to your storage. You can sit down here, put on your shoes, tie them, and then off to the side here, we have a hamper that's included in every unit too. So on the wall here, underneath your TV prep, we've got 3 hanging hooks, perfect for grab and go jacket storage. Over to the left, we've got our floor to ceiling wardrobe. Up here, you'll have your hanging storage. Right now we have it in hanging mode, but there is a shelf that will come with this that you can take in and out of the unit. This features some soft close hinges as well. Below we have 4 drawers, all built with our classic dovetail construction. For more information on Model I or to locate your local Brinkley dealer, visit brinkley.rv.com.